Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, this news, it matters. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got some news about the Gear S3. There's an update that dropped for the Gear S3 that I think is pretty cool, that I think you just might like if you haven't heard the news yet. Now the update is a small update, so don't look for it to be a huge update, and it's like a two-part update, right? Now the first update is going to be a visual accessibility feature update. I don't know what that is. I tried looking for it. I couldn't find anything. Maybe I might bump into it as I continue to mess with my smartwatch. Now the update that I am excited about, that I think is super cool, right, is the ability to answer your phone from your wrist. Now that's not anything new, right? But the ability to use your rotating bezel is. That way it keeps your watch smudge free. I'm liking this feature. I thought it was pretty cool. Now, here's the deal about that. First of all, once you answer it with the rotating bezel, it does not go default to your smartwatch. It goes default to your smartphone. So it answers the phone. So either you need to have your Bluetooth plugged in or you need to have your smartphone near you. But yes, you can use the rotating bezel now. And I believe they're going to bring some more features to this rotating bezel, because there's so many things that I think that we could do with this thing. But they starting off with the rotating bezel being able to answer the smartphone, which I thought was pretty cool. Now, the other deal is that it has a mic right at the top of it, a microphone. So I thought just maybe we would be able to answer it with a command. So I tried many different commands. It did it the first time, right? But the second, third, and the fourth time I tried, nothing. So I'm gonna continue to work with it. Maybe, just maybe, it's gonna take a couple of days for that one to kick in. But the mic is right up at the top, guys. I'm really excited about this. Samsung hasn't forgotten about the Gear S3, which is pretty cool. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this. Now, if you don't know how to go through and update manually, all you simply have to do is tap on your Gear app. Once you go into your Gear app, scroll all the way down till you see About Gear. Once you see About Gear, tap on that, and then you will see Update. Hit Update, and it's going to prompt you to do everything else if you want to get this feature like today. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know if you even care about such a feature. And with that, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, we will see you all at the next video. Take care. Peace.